What's up with the rubber duckies? What does that even mean?
Duckies. I've seen some pretty cool duckies, I will say.
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
Duck, Jeep.
I mean, it's cute.
If you had to pick one thing that annoys you most on a trail, what would it be?
A Jeep.
A Jeep, yeah, Jeeps.
Well, and they're just so annoying.
They're just slow.
They
have
slow.
to spot over like, oh my God, there's a pebble in the way. I need to get out and see if I can make it over it, okay? And then like an hour later, you're like, oh, cool, congratulations, you crossed a pebble. There's only about 50 more in front of you. Can I please get around?
Well, and it's funny how you drive with UTV guys that are part of the 5 and 30 club, and then you go and you drive and you see Jeep guys, and they invented the 5 and 30 club. Mm-hmm. I mean, let's drive for 5 minutes and let's spot somebody for 30 minutes, and then let's have a beer for another 30 minutes, or let's get make a cocktail or something.
Have you ever actually seen how much food Jeep people bring with them to go riding on a trail?
Oh my God! Remember the gal that we took to Holy Cross?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
They bring like these entire buffets because they plan on not going anywhere for so long that their entire day is encompassed with like what would be like a family barbecue.
Yes. Oh, I brought a whole charcuterie board and I brought sandwiches for everybody.
Yeah.
This is no joke.
Yeah.
Remember that? We went to Holy Cross.
They know they don't go anywhere because they're that slow.
Yeah.
What? Don't you guys have like a buffet line that you want to set up? Like, no, man, we're riding.
We're going to ride till we're done. Then we're going to get pizza. Yeah. What are we doing? Yeah.
But then again, too, I mean, they plan their entire day and like their start to finish is what, 5 miles? Like, don't get me wrong, we've had that too. I mean, we're talking like the most technical riding ever, and we cover 5 miles in a day.
Well, I think, and I feel that UTVing and like when we go with a little larger group and we're going to Moab, there is that social aspect, but it's very social when you're jeeping. It's like, and I think that is because they are so slow and it's like, well, I don't want to scratch my rig, and they're so methodical when they go over a bump or they go over a rock, and it's like, oh my gosh, would you just get over the bump? Yeah. No, I get it.
I'm just still waiting for the day that I come across like a Jeep in like a parking lot in, completely urban environment, and they get out to spot themselves over like a speed bump, because I feel like they would have to kind of second guess that, right? I mean, just the Jeep culture is like, ooh, can I handle this? Can I get over it? That Camaro might have just gone over it just fine, but I might need to take a second look because I'm in a Jeep.
Yeah. I saw that Porsche bump scrape his bump. Scrape his ass over the speed bump. It's 6 inches. Woo!
Glass tires, they might shatter.
Well, how many times we've been on I say everybody because we frequent Moab a lot, but and Moab's a great place to run Jeeps. But man, it's like, come on, it's like they have 10 Jeeps and it takes them all day long to go anywhere.
They do in a day what we do in an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. What we've done in a day, they take a week.
True. Well, they go there for the whole week.
Yeah.
Because it takes them all week.
But like the trails that we do in a day, like that's their plan for the week.
Yep. And then if we head in and we have to come in and turn around and come back out, it's always like they're halfway up the trail and they got a full bar setting out, and then they got their whole buffet, or they've got a barbecue running, and they're like, dude, you guys think about and they're like, well, no, this is a whole day trip for us. I'm like, oh, okay. Have fun. A lot of that is, they say, I mean, how many times we've seen it, but it's like, you do know that this trail is being used by multiple other people. Why did you have to park in the middle of it?
Yeah, can't pull over to the side. Well, that's where the branches are, and they might scratch the paint job.
That's true.
Mm-hmm. I think there's just a straw system, so like one guy pulls the short straw and actually has to get out of his air-conditioned cab to go spot over like a small little boulder or something. But I don't really know how that works. I haven't like stood around long enough to figure out why they even spot over the things they do, just because like, I mean, I've gone through some obstacles and I understand when and where to spot somebody on an obstacle, and I've never seen a Jeep on those, but yeah, the ones that they are spotting, I'm like, what is it? What's happening here? It must be a Jeep thing. What's up with the rubber duckies? What does that even mean?
Duckies. I've seen some pretty cool duckies, I will say.
Like, really?
I like cool ducks, dude. Like, I mean, I don't know. I don't understand the duck thing, but there's some cool ducks. Like, if I was collecting ducks, which I wouldn't collect ducks, but I mean, if I was collecting ducks, they're like cool ducks,
Like, if we were gonna, I mean, I don't know. We should like start a trend and talk shit about Jeeps and their ducks, and we just start sticking like stick dildos to other UTVs. Like, would we collect those?
Oh my God! Yeah.
I don't really know the.
It's like if I had a Sharpie, I'd be like, I would take the duck and I would like draw a mustache and You know, I would draw like dumb shit
What's
on
the
it.
purpose of a duck?
I don't,
Why
I don't know where the
are there these
where'd the
Jeeps
duck
with
thing
like
come from?
30
Where did
ducks?
it come from? Everybody, you know, in the comments below, explain to us the duck thing, please.
Yeah, there's a custom
Yes.
Jeep duck manufacturing industry.
Well,
Why-
dude, I was at Trail Hero, and there was literally several vendors that had ducks, like crazy ass ducks, that you could buy.
I think the next time I pass a Jeep on the trail, I'm absolutely gonna blast the Rubber Ducky song from Sesame Street.
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
You make Jeeping so
I don't know
much fun.
what is the duck thing. Where's
I don't
Ryan
know.
at? Where's the duck? Where'd it come from? I mean, it's honestly.
Maybe it's something to do while you're waiting for your fellow Jeepers to spot over it. It's something to play with. It's a toy, right?
That's got to be a Jeep thing. Yeah.
You know, my machine makes me smile. Like, I have fun driving it and making it do all
We got to
the
come up with
things that
something. I don't know. I guess it's probably pretty stupid, but UTV owners have got to come up with something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, penis tire valves. Yes, that's what they should have came up with.
Tire valves. Duck Jeep.
I mean, it's cute.
Hey, if you own a Jeep out there, not sorry.
It's all good.